This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find your university registration number, a crucial identifier for your academic journey. This unique code identifies you across all university systems, from course registration to financial aid applications. Knowing where to quickly locate it saves you time and stress, ensuring smooth interactions with administrative departments. It is essential for verifying your identity and accessing personalized student services. Finding this number is often simpler than you think, and we will show you exactly where to look. Your university's online student portal is usually the fastest way to find this critical information. Log in using your university credentials, then head to your profile or academic records page. You will typically find your registration number clearly displayed there, often alongside your name and other personal details. This digital hub centralizes all your academic information, making it a reliable first stop. Always ensure you are on the official university website for security. If the online portal is not accessible or you cannot find it there, check your official university documents. Your initial acceptance letter, any tuition statements you have received, or even your official enrollment confirmation emails often include your registration number. Also, take a close look at your student identification card. This number is typically printed on the front or back. Keep these documents in a safe place for easy future reference. Should you still be unable to locate your number, contacting the university directly is your next step. Reach out to the registrar's office or the student services department as they manage student records. When you call or email, be ready to confirm your identity with details like your full name, date of birth, and any known university email address. They are equipped to assist you and can provide this information after a secure verification process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.